Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to show or hide your current company on LinkedIn. So when you're on your LinkedIn profile, take a look at the top part. So you might already have the company that you're working for there, or you might not. You can see I already have PlayOjo there. So if I wanted to delete that, I can click on the little pencil icon, scroll down, and you can see I've got my current position here, which is iGaming content writer at PlayOjo. So if I want to not show this, I can uncheck that box and click on save, and you can see it's disappeared from my profile. If I want to add it again, I click on the pencil, scroll down, and where is it? Current position. So I can click to show it. Or if you haven't got this already, you can just search for your current position and add your new position. Make sure you click save to save each time. You can see it's come back again. So that's how you show or hide your current company on LinkedIn. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.